Let's write. Fill in the blanks with the words given in the brackets. Sail, bark, sing, play, ring. Boats, dogs, children, bells, birds. Write the names of the days of the week. You can begin with Sunday. Haldi wrote her name at school in this way. Haldi. She made one mistake. What was it? Write her name correctly. Now write your name correctly. Haldi wrote, I met a giraffe. She made 2 mistakes. What are they? Write Haldi's sentence correctly. Let's get ready for school. What do you do before going to school? Put Y for yes and N for no. Have a bath. Climb a tree. Play in the park. Comb your hair. Feed the birds. Help to milk a cow.